Okay, everyone, welcome to the finale of the AI in July Portfolio Master Challenge from Trade Ideas. We have our results, keeping in mind that we are going to go through and audit these like we always do. Look to make sure if there are any rules broken that we pull those out and then kind of go through and deduct any rule breaking trades. So if somebody made $20,000, but that was a rule breaking trade, then we will take that out, see where this lands out in the wash. But we do have an amazing story to tell with our winner, who is 15 and still in high school. A sophomore in high school, comes out, makes 68% gain in just a few days trading Trade Ideas and its AI exclusively. Absolutely amazing results. Just beating the pants off people internally who are long-term traders who've been doing this for a long period of time. Other contestants like Lazar, who has won twice, and we have Oliver, who has also won twice. Just getting beaten by a complete and utter newbie, showing that it's not the amount of expertise you have in this kind of game. It's just a feel for the market and a feel at that time. And what a great way to get into trading, being that young and getting into something like using artificial intelligence to help with your trade. So absolutely fantastic. Congratulations to everybody who participated. Congratulations to everybody who made $1. If you made $1 and you were net positive in 3 days with us putting this kind of pigeonhole on you and saying you can only trade these securities, you did absolutely fantastic. So, thank you for everyone coming, and thank you for everyone who got involved. Some really interesting symbols were traded, and I want to highlight one that I thought was absolutely fantastic and potential swing side of things. And this is JMAI. I guess this is the Amazon. It's a Amazon of whatever. You hear Amazon of this country, Amazon of that country. This is one of those as well. The AI alerted this at $10 a share, just as it broke this prior high right here. And I saw a couple people trade this throughout the contest. You can see pulled back a little bit, put in a little bit of bottom, nice bounce today, but some good back and forth moves on this JMIA. Nice looking bull flag. So maybe keep an eye on this one going into the weekend. Again, thank you for participating in the contest, and I will talk to you guys soon.